In today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate PDF files to any language. So you can see it's PDF file English language. So I want to translate it to another language. So what you need to do? So first I am going on my Google Drive, then upload this file to Google Drive. So you can see already opened Google Drive. So I want to upload on here. Just click on new, then click on new folder or new upload. So I click file upload, then select this file. Okay, it's already processing, then done. You can see now if I click on here, then it's recommend me open with Google Docs. So I need to click on here Google Docs, then this PDF file will be open on PDF on Google Docs. Then I will translate to another language. So I need to click on now tools, then again click on translate document. If you have a multiple page, no problem. This is same way. You need to just click on and choose a language. So again purpose I want to choose is to Hindi language. So I here are charts. So I need to click on translate. Then after few seconds it open with another, you can see another web page. So now it's completely translate to Hindi language. So I need to click on file, again click on download, then download as a PDF. That's it, your work are done. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.